Yo, this is how you make carbonara.
Wow. Oh my God.
So today I'm here with Chef Fabrizio.
안녕하세요, 여러분. Hi, everyone. Ciao, everyone.
And today I asked Chef to teach me how to make some carbonara.
Yes, okay. Carbonara. Here we have the 4 main ingredients for the sauce. Keran, eggs. Then pecorino romano, salty, very sharp kind of taste. And then huchu, black pepper. And then it should be guanciale. But that's not so important, I think. And because you can do with bacon. And yeah, it's easy to find in USA. It's easy to find here in Korea. It's easy to find anywhere in the world. And of course, good quality pasta.
Oh, what are you doing, Chef?
I'm just cutting this John up. So now I need your help.
Yes, Chef.
You have to grate this John up.
Okay, got it. Let's do it.
While you're doing that, I'm preparing the bacon in the pan, which, as I told you, is a very special pan because it has 35 years of service. Low fire, leave it like this. Wait until the nice fat is coming out. Okay. Look at this beautiful caramelization. Wow, chef, look at this fat rendering here. Ooh, wow. Now, this is done.
Chef, this is, I'm not gonna lie.
Go. Why? What happened here? Oh, very weird. And hey chef.
Hey, I had to hold the camera.
Very best student.
No shooting while making recipe, okay?
Yes. Inside here, you have to crack the eggs. 3 yolks for a portion.
Wow, so this is a lot of cheese and egg for...
Yes! For one person. Now, you just put this inside here and then you mix very thoroughly until it becomes a cream. Go with all your power.
Yes, chef.
Before boiling, salt in the boiling water is 1 liter of water, 7 grams of salt. So, but now I'm just doing. Ooh. Yeah. As I told you, we need this beautiful myeonsu because it's full of starch. But if you put this amount of pasta in 4-liter water, that is gonna dissolve. It's not gonna be concentrated the starch. So just 적당히, just enough water. Il pasta, E water, the 1:2 ratio in volume, not in weight.
What's like the perfect time to cook the pasta?
Oh,
For nice al dente.
Oh, good question. 14분, so 40 minutes, because it's good quality pasta. If it wasn't good quality pasta, this kind of format, maybe 10 minutes maximum. I will do 11.
Oh, wow.
11, and the last 2-3 minutes in the pan together with some myeonsu, with some pasta water.
So you will still keep it 14 minutes, but you'll pull it out at 11 minutes and cook for 3 minutes to equal out to the almost 14 minutes.
정답. Hear the sound. It's noisy. If there was too much water, it wasn't that noisy. 11, okay, let's do. Take a cup and then you reserve it. Okay, this is liquid gold.
Wow.
Just will dump everything in. Oh yeah. Now I need to do this. Sorry. Now it's serious time. Let's do this now while it's still hot. Like this, we are tempering the egg. We are putting some freshly cracked pepper. It became almost like a custard. Now the mastery is not to make this scrambled egg. Now the tossing. Yeah. So this is already kind of a sauce. But there's nothing actually. It's just water and bacon fat. Nice. But thanks to the starch, glue became a sauce.
Nice. Wow. Okay. Wow. Would you say it's like at least half a cup to a cup of water of pasta water?
Yeah. Look at how creamy. That's really some serious coating.
I didn't know it was that sticky till I picked that up.
And this is the glue that will make any sauce sticking perfectly on the pasta myeon, on the noodles. Now I start to season this with the right amount of pepper. Wow, look at how creamy.
Wow.
Now check. Oh my God. Oh. This is just bacon and pepper pasta. Now the temperature.
Wow.
But isn't it true? Isn't it sexy?
This is sexy food.
Oh yeah,
Wow.
I feel, wow. Hear this sound.
Wow.
Oh my God. Okay, now let's plate this joint up.
Wow.
And this is how carbonara should be made. Not just like a lake of sauce underneath. All the sauce has to stick on the noodles. And now, the final touch. The shinehansu, how you say in Korean, the touch of the god. Oh my.
More cheese.
More cheese, more pepper, like this. Carbonara, remember, carbonara, it has to be black like coal from pepper.
I'm so excited. My stomach.
I can feel your excitement. I can hear your excitement.
My stomach.
Guys, inside here, there's something moving.
All right, moment of truth. Wow.
Oh my God.
I can't believe I get to taste this in person. So creamy.
So creamy, so salty. It has to be. If you want less salty, you can make half-half with Parmigiano Reggiano. But that is not the original one. The original one is this one.
And all this saltiness is coming from
Bacon
the cheese
and
the bacon and cheese.
Yes. But just a second, just turn around. Now, I have a surprise for Chef Joe. Korean magic.
Okay. Oh, wow!
You would never imagine how great this pairs. I love eating kimchi.
Wow.
Dang!
And if you like spice, wow. Well, I can't stop eating it with kimchi now. So can you tell me more about the dish carbonara? Like, why carbonara? How did this dish come about?
That's an interesting story. Actually, more than a story, is a legend, you know? The name, carbonara. The legend, it says carbone is coal, charcoal. Coal mining person that they were going all around Rome. They need some food that can keep up for long days without refrigeration, of course. These all ingredients that you don't store in the fridge, this guy is going, oh, let's go to work. Oh, okay, let's boil some pasta and then mix all this kind of stuff. And then put in some huchu, some black pepper to make it more enjoyable, to cut through this very powerful taste. And then that's it. Wow. And this is the legend. So carbonara. So the pasta that the coal mining guys were eating.
Because they needed this. You know, honestly, I just finished the dish, and I don't know, chef.
Oh my God, that's popping out.
You know, it's the pasta, baby.
Then there's the more reliable source, the more probable story is that when World War II finished, of course the American came to Europe. They were bringing the military food, bacon, and then some eggs, egg powder, protein, some kind of like protein. So it is possible and very probable that this encounter, these ingredients coming from the American soldiers, that time in the carbonara was born. But now you might ask, why carbonara then? Because it's full of black pepper.
Like, I just finished it. You'll see all the black pepper in there.
Yeah.
So today we literally learned the techniques to make the best carbonara. And from here, if you want a little less spice, you could go a little less with the pepper. And if you want it a little less saltier, you know, less in the cheese, or, you know, trade off your cheese with some
Parmigiano.
Yeah.
Parmigiano.
Chef, thank you so much. I enjoyed so much, not even just eating, but I just learned so much. And just the fact that I got to meet you in person, Chef.
Oh no,
Thank you so much.
that was so.
Yeah.
I was so happy to meet you in person. I'm very happy you came to the motherland, and he has to come to Korea to meet an Italian chef that is living in Korea. Boom, that's
It's the most authentic thing I done though, you know? So yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Yamasayo!
Thank you so much. Yeah.